In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First things first, you want to open the specific Asana project that you are looking to remove from your active dashboard. This is important because you want to make sure you're deleting the right project. So take a moment to navigate to it. Before you make any moves to delete the project, it's crucial to confirm that all important data within the project has been archived or backed up. If you have any information or tasks in there that you might need later on, please make sure to save that elsewhere. Once you've done that, you can proceed with the deletion process. Now, look up to the top left corner of your screen. You should see the project title displayed prominently. This is where we're going to start our next step. Right next to the project title, you should notice a small caret icon, which looks like a little downward-facing triangle. Go ahead and click on that icon. When you do that, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing various project settings and actions. It's a good idea to take a quick glance through these options so you can get familiarized with what you can do here, but what you're really looking for is the option labeled Delete Project. This will be at the bottom of the list, so make sure you scroll all the way down to find it. Once you've found that option, click on Delete Project. Now, before you go any further, take a moment to verify that this is indeed the correct project you want to delete. It can be pretty easy to click hastily when you're in a rush, so just double-check that you're about to remove the right project from your workspace. After you've confirmed that it's the right project, go ahead and confirm the action to permanently remove the project and all its contents from your workspace. This step is vital because once you confirm, there's no going back. Your project, along with any tasks, comments, and attachments, will be deleted forever. So make sure you're absolutely certain before you hit that final button. And that's it. Deleting a project in Asana can be completed in just a few clicks, but it's always good practice to ensure you're backing up anything important prior to deletion. Once you've confirmed and clicked through, take a moment to check your results. You should see that the project is no longer visible on your dashboard, which means you've successfully deleted it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I hope this guide made your Asana experience a bit easier. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.